G'day guys, Coxie's here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to join the PLNT Max Metaverse, where Vault Inu has its own dedicated room. Some of you may know already, but PLNT Max's Metaverse is in a game called VR Chat. So this tutorial is going to be as in-depth as possible for people that have no idea what VR Chat is. If you do, but just don't know how to join, then I'll leave timestamps down below so you can skim the video to find that information. Now, with that out of the way, let's begin. Now, I'm going to inform you straight away, if you own a Mac, you cannot use VR Chat because it's not compatible with your operating system. Sadly, this is Windows based only, but you can create a Windows partition using either Bootcamp or PARRALLS. So for those using a Mac, I'll leave a video down below that will help you get a Windows partition on your Mac so that you can come back here and go through this process to get into the metaverse. So first off, you'll need to open up your web browser and type store.steampowered.com and hit enter. And it should take you to a page looking like this. Now, what we'll do is that we'll click install Steam at the very top of the page, and then we'll click install Steam again. That should download the Steam client, and then once done so, we'll open that file. Click yes if prompted. Now this is quite a basic install, so what we'll do is just click next, choose preferred language, click next. Yep, I'm happy to install it there, so click install, and done. Leave this box ticked and we'll click finish. Now what it's doing is just updating your Steam client, so what we just installed, that's what it's updating. Okay, so once you've installed it and the update has been applied, just simply create an account. Another window should pop up. So now this is quite a simple account creation process. I'm confident enough to say I shouldn't need to explain how to create a Steam account, but as you can see, you'll need to input an email address, confirm that email address, choose which country you live in, which should automatically fill this in, do the captcha, select I am 13 years of age or older, and then click continue, and you should be on your way. So once you've verified your email, it'll come up with a Steam account name. So now this name will be what you'll use to log into Steam. It won't be your email, it'll be this name you input here. So for me, I'm going to put Coxie's Crypto. And then my password, well, that's obviously going to be big secrecy. Now my new account created successfully. So now what we will use to log in were those exact credentials we just gave in that last window. So for me, it was Coxie's Crypto and the password I supplied. Now once logged in, another window will come up. So this is the client, this is the Steam client. So what we'll do is that we'll just simply close that. So for people who don't know, Steam is a PC gaming platform. So we'll need to use this in order to download VR Chat. So what we'll do now is just click store. And then up on the top right hand corner here, just search VR Chat. And it should be the very first one there. Now this is free. So what you'll need to do is just simply come down here, find play VR Chat, free to play, just click play game. Now make sure you have enough disk space. Disk space required isn't really that much, it's less than a gig. And the only reason why this is showing 5.26 gigs on my disk is because I am operating this on a virtual machine. So now we'll click next, we'll click agree, and then we'll click finish. And once that is done, we'll download the game. Once downloaded, you should see a notification down here, and then what we'll need to do is just click play. Once you click play, a launch option should come up saying either launch VR Chat in Steam VR mode or launch in desktop non-VR mode. You are not required to have a VR headset in order to join the metaverse. So at this stage, all I'm doing is showing you a tutorial on how to get in. So we'll launch in desktop non-VR mode. We'll click play, hit yes if required. Click yes if prompted to install Easy Anti-Cheat service. And the game should be launching. Okay, so once you've launched VR Chat, you'll be prompted to do a tutorial. If not, this is where you'll end up. This is your own personal space in VR Chat, but once you are here, all you'll need to do is hit escape, click worlds, then at the top right here there'll be a search bar. Just simply type PLNT and hit enter, and make sure to tick show community labs, and there it is right there. So we'll just double click that, we'll click favorite, tick vault room, click add, and we can click go. We are now loading in to Plant Max's Metaverse. So once you've loaded in, this is where you'll end up, which is in PLNT Max's doorway here. And all you need to do is just walk out and turn to the right. And there you go, guys. Now I'm not going to show off too much in this video because I want you guys to experience this for yourselves. And if this helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in here with me. And as always, have a good one.